Hi, hello, hola, namaste. Today, we're going to be venturing into the world of the puzzling Rubik's Cube. I'm going to be making a series of 3 videos on introducing the Rubik's Cube and how to solve it in an easy way. Let me introduce you to the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The goal of this puzzle is to start off with a shuffled cube and solve it so that you have a color on each side. The cube has 6 faces, 12 sides and 6 colors. Each face has one center whose position never changes, 4 middle pieces and 4 corner pieces. Algorithms are an easy way to solving the Rubik's Cube. The cube chart has basic face rotations that helps in solving the Rubik's Cube. The code symbols means anti-clockwise. Starting off by U, turn the top layer to the left. U anti-clockwise, turn the top layer to the right. L, turn the left layer to the bottom. L anti-clockwise, turn the left layer to the top. F, turn the front layer to the right. F anti-clockwise, turn the front layer to the left. R, turn the right layer to the top. R anti-clockwise, turn the right layer to the bottom. B, turn the back layer to the left. B anti-clockwise, turn the back layer to the right. D, turn the bottom layer to the right. D anti-clockwise, turn the bottom layer to the left. Now you know all the basic face rotations for the Rubik's Cube. On the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to solve the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. Hope you had fun getting introduced to the Rubik's Cube. Bye bye.